Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to restore deleted bank statement lines in Xero. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Bank statement lines in Xero refer to the individual transactions imported from your bank account into the Xero platform. These lines represent every deposit, withdrawal and transfer recorded by your bank. Xero uses these bank statement lines to help you reconcile your accounts by matching them with the transaction you have entered in Xero, such as invoices, bills, or manual journal entries. When you import your bank statement or connect your bank account to Xero for automatic feeds, these transactions appear as bank statement lines. You can then review and reconcile each line, ensuring that your recorded financial data match your actual bank activity. If Xero finds a match automatically, it will suggest it for you to confirm. Otherwise, you can manually match or create new transactions directly from the bank statement lines. If you accidentally delete a bank statement line in Xero, there are two methods to restore it. First method is immediate undo option. While in the reconciliation screen, delete the statement line. Immediately after deletion, an undo option will appear. Click undo to restore the deleted item back to the reconciliation screen. The undo option only appears immediately after deletion. If you perform other actions or navigate away, this option will disappear. Second method is manual restoration after time has passed. If you need to restore a statement line after some time has passed, what you need to do is go to the bank statement section within Xero. Scroll through the bank transactions list to find the deleted item. The deleted item will have the status marked as deleted and will appear grayed out. Tick the checkbox next to the deleted transaction, then scroll down to the top and click the Restore button. Return to the reconciliation screen. You should see the restored item ready for reconciliation. By following these steps, you can easily recover any bank statement line that was deleted in error, ensuring your financial records remain accurate. And that's pretty much all about how you can restore deleted bank statement lines in Xero. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions.